Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 3, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's get started. And first thing to mention is that if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, let's continue and open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Then tap on device icon, and here find the option called notifications and tap on it. If you don't have the required permissions allowed, you probably will see this warning exclamation mark basically on the screen, and you can tap on it and you have the message saying that you don't have the required permissions for this to work. So tap on the warning or tap on the allow right here, then tap on allow, and once it disappears the permission is allowed and now it should be working fine. If you see any other warnings right here in the notification menu, allow the required permissions, and once you're done and there's no warnings anymore, we can turn on or turn off the notifications by tapping on the switch. And here we have app notifications, and we can tap on it, and here again we can turn on or off the app notifications, but we can also turn on and off some options like silence the alerts when phone DND is enabled, when phone is in use. So if you turn it on and you're using your phone, you won't be receiving the notifications on your watch. Then we have in workouts, off wrist, and we have also the preferences, and here you can enable and disable some indicators for the notifications, previews and stuff like this. And if you scroll even more down, you can enable and receive the notifications for incoming SMS, phone apps. And if you enable the phone apps, you will see the list of applications right here, and you can turn on and off the notifications for them. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch as well. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. So customize it to your liking. And once you're done with the notifications for the apps, you can go back. And if you want to also receive the notifications about the calls, go to the device page right here, scroll down and find the phone application and tap on it. And here, if the notifications are turned off, you can turn on incoming call or Bluetooth call. Incoming call will only display a notification about the phone call basically, but you won't be able to do anything about it. You just can see the notification. And Bluetooth calls allows you to basically see the notifications, but you can also answer, hang up, via the watch, which is a bit more useful. So select the option you prefer, and if you enable the Bluetooth calls, you can also set up some settings like delay the alerts, so you can delay them, and you can choose the delay time. Then we have the auto SMS reply. You can set up some replies for the SMS or for the auto reply, my bad. And then we have access to contacts. This is important if you want to see the names of the contacts calling you basically, and you can tap on update contacts to update them. And you can also add the top contacts, and this is useful if you want to for example ignore the do not disturb mode for some contacts. So if you add top contacts, you can basically they will be able to call you, or you will see notifications about those calls even though the do not disturb mode is enabled. Okay, and I believe that's about all when it comes to notifications. If you allow all of the permissions, it should be working fine. So we're gonna send ourselves a message on Discord and see if it's working. We got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch, and we also got it on our watch, so it is working. And basically that's how you allow the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.